Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. So on the daily chart we do not see really big changes, so the upward direction that we have discussed in the weekly report and treated like a kind of the momentum trade or something of that sort probably is done. So it's because the minimum requirement target has been reached, and take a look, that market right now is trying to show the downward continuation. So this is actually according to our trading plan. Yesterday it was only a single moment that was not well, it's a bit different compared to the plan that we have suggested. The market has started downward action from our second target, not from the first target round 109.50, but from the second round 109.70. It was intraday XOP. All other stuff mostly stands in a row with the scenario that we have suggested. So currently we have to keep an eye on the downside performance, in particular speaking on the few levels that I will show you a bit later on the intraday chart, because that will be a vital moment that should tell us whether we will get indeed a kind of the A, B, C, top, D pattern as we suggested. Because and actually it comes from the logic of the reversal swing. When the market forms reversal swing, very often, not always of course, but very often it has downside continuation. After some pullback, it usually leads to appearing of kind of the ABCD. So and actually this always happens on the tops. So for example, take a look at the performance here. Bearish reversal swing, deep retracement almost back to the top, and then downside continuation. So with this upward direction, market is just fading the previous momentum. It's just momentum gets some release, it's come to an end, and then bears take control of the market. Here we have the same strong bullish momentum, first downside reaction. This is some momentum release, and market right now could show downside extension. So not necessarily will be some kind of the very strong downward action, but still at least some kind of the ABCD here might be formed. As we said, somewhere to an area of the 1.10, 1.20 area in the 50% support level. But market will do this only if it will confirm the bearish sentiment, bearish performance on the lower time frame. Meantime, on the 4 time frame chart, take a look. We have a kind of the widening consolidation. This is important downside swing. Actual bearish reversal swing, and now market shows the strong pullback. In general, by the technical analysis, until market stands inside of this bearish swing, it keeps chances on downside continuation. So overall invalidation point for this short-term scenario stands above this top. If somehow market still will be able to just return it back up, taking out on this top and erase this downside action, different action could happen. So for instance, market could just keep going higher, it's above the COP, and as we said, it's moving above the top until market stands inside of this swing. In a short-term perspective, from perspective of the intraday charts, downside A, B, C, top, T pattern still possible. On the hourly chart, take a look. Market has completed still our XOP target. No reaction has happened on the 109.50 area. That's actually why we, as a rule, call for searching bearish patterns before taking a position. So yesterday we said that trying to drop your time frame, if you could do this, watch for bearish patterns. But here in around 109.50, no patterns have been formed. Market just keep going to the XOP. Once the XOP has been completed, take a look, we immediately have got evening star candlestick pattern. This is very small pattern, actually based on target of this pattern. Actually we have two extensions. Nearest one is 109.29, and next one XOP is 109.07. So this area stands very close to the confluence, 109.21, 109.26. So if you have taken the position here, trying to think about the moving stops to the break-even, because here is still some uncertainty. Even if you have taken position yesterday right there, with the stops above this area, now your position is coming to the break-even, and with the moving lower to the 109.20 area, also move your stop to the break-even, because here is major moment of the uncertainty. We do not know whether market will follow with this downside action and whether we will get this kind of A, B, C, D down. It is uncertain yet, so we need to protect our positions that we have currently and keep watching for these two levels. If market will break it down, especially this confluence area moving back to the 108.95 area, chances on the downside continuation will increase. If it just reaches the minimum target, starts calling around, turning up, well, this might be could mean that probably we will not get this downward action. Very, very probably this might be just upward continuation in the euro currency. That's why these two intraday levels are important, and that's the reason why you have to protect your position if you have taken the short position recently. So that's what we have currently on the euro.